Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the online video session of Al Eman Education System. I am your computer teacher Rabia Mahmood. Our first chapter is Introduction to Computers. In this video, we are going to learn what is a computer and hardware and software of computers. Let's start with the introduction to computer. Computer is simply a problem solving machine. It accepts data, stores it, performs certain operations on it, and produce the result of these operations with accuracy, reliability, and at a very high speed, which means that computer is a machine that makes your task simple and easy to perform and within a comfortable zone. Computer is the most remarkable development of 21st century. What a computer can do. Data processing. Here in this picture, we see a pizza delivery machine. In this, a client is giving input from here and it's providing its instruction for the pizza they like. Here, all the processing is happening and then clients are taking output from here. Similarly, a computer takes input from here, this camera, processing the data according to the client's or user instruction in here, and then generating output from this printer. This is data processing. Computer has bring revolution in almost every field of today's life. Whether this is agriculture, space, health, research, personal lives, education, office work, transport, industry, we see the use of computer technologies in every field. Now, computer can be divided into two parts, hardware and software. Hardware are the physical parts of computers, whereas software is a set of instructions and associated documentation that tells the computer what to do or how to perform a task. Hardware is directed by the software to execute any command or instruction. Software is an intangible element, which means you cannot touch them or hold them in your hands like hardware. So here we can say that these both parts are really important for a computer. If any one of them is missing, we cannot work on the computer. These are the examples of hardware and software. CPU, monitor, USB, DVD, a printer, mouse, keyboard. These are the very common example of hardwares. Whereas in the software, Windows, MS Excel, and Google Chrome, PowerPoint, calculator, these are really common examples of software. Or we can say that software is like a plan you make in your mind. It could be any thoughts, any instructions that a brain sends to the human body, but we cannot see the instruction, but we can see the reaction of the body or the movement. exactly the same way hardware reacts on the instruction of the software. It works according to the each and every instructions given by the software. That's all for today's session. These are your homework questions. Hope you enjoyed this video and understands well. Jazakallah and Allah Hafiz.